What's going on, folks? Larry here, back to do my daily recap for today's trading. But before I get started, just want to say, day is 9/11. It's hard to believe that it's been 24 years since that tragic event, and so many people lost their lives. And also, just with a heavy heart, prayers and thoughts go out to the Kirk family. You just don't think of stuff like that, and it's just, I don't even know. It's just overwhelming. The world's definitely in a crazy place, and things have got to change, that's for sure. I'm the easiest going person you'll ever meet. I can probably get along with anybody, but I'm telling you, you put my family's life in danger, I'm probably the most deadliest person you'll ever meet. But again, thoughts and prayers go out to the Kirk family. I couldn't even imagine what they're going through. But let's go ahead and jump into the recap today. The first trade I took this morning was a loser, and I went on tilt just a little bit. I was so set against the daily buys that I let it, ruin that trade for me. I'm going to show you right here. This is the daily chart. I was so confident today that we would push for all-time highs, because all-time highs, is just up here at 24.70 or so, and I was just about certain that we would make it up there. And I let it dictate my trade. This blue line and this blue line right here is the 15-minute opening range that I have on my chart. As soon as we pushed through, we pulled back and we took off again. Like I said, I was certain that we would shoot for the high. I entered the trade. The trade immediately come back against me, but where I was so dead set on my buys for the day that I moved my stop loss and I added to the position when it got against me, and it ended up liquidating me. And that was how I started my day out. It didn't start out good. After that, I took a little more caution. This is the account I blew. I've had that account for a while. I probably had it 6 or 7 months, I would say. And it's just, gone now. But that's part of trading. You're going to lose accounts. There's nothing you can do about it. I don't care how good of a trader you are, you're going to lose them. That's just the way it goes. Everybody is going to end up on tilt at some point in time. You just got to learn how to deal with it. But still, my accounts ended up green. None of them, no major profit. 250, 270, 200, 240, 275, 55, 55, like I said. Nothing too impressive. Like I said, that was my losing trade on the 15-minute opening range. I done it. I took a trade down here when we pulled back to VWAP. I actually entered right over here when we made a high or low. I entered a trade. I actually probably took 2 or 3 trades right here in different accounts. And I played it again. We broke through, pulled back, made a bull flag. I traded again. Like I said, I was moving my stop up as I was getting into profit. And I played it again when we broke through here. Like I said, I drew this trend line and we broke back through. I traded again. Like I said, I took several trades today. It's kind of hard to keep up with all of them. But keep your trading simple. There's no sense in getting too far-fetched. Let me fix this screen up here. There's no reason to get all these indicators. Honestly, I think if you're new and just starting out, you're probably better off not putting no indicators on the screen. Just blank screen. All you need is candles and price action and trend lines. You could just sit right here and draw a trend line, wait for it to break to the downside or bounce off of it. Like if we would have bounced off right here, you could play to the upside. And then see right here, I drew a trend line. We broke through it, come back, retested it, took back off. Just keep your trading simple. Try not to overcomplicate it. I know when you first start out trading, you try to consume all this knowledge because you want to know. But sometimes I think that actually might hurt you when you get in here to looking at all these different strategies people trade and stuff. I think that would be my best advice to somebody that's new and starting out. Keep it simple, a blank screen, and just candles and trend lines. I believe that's all you would need starting out. You can always learn these strategies later and these different indicators. But I think just starting out, getting your foot in the door, that would be the simplest way to start out. Again, that's pretty much it for today, I guess. Let me look back at this. With this losing trade, I ended the day green, only 790. Again, with that losing trade, I don't even want to think about losing accounts, but it happens, that's part of it. It's part of the game. But that is my recap for today. Tomorrow's Friday. I don't think we have any. Let me find these other. Where is my stinking? Let's look here. Tomorrow, September 12th. You got a little bit of news at 10 at University of Michigan thing. That's about it. Nothing major, so we'll see. Again, that is my recap for today. Thank y'all for watching and catch you on the next one.